Welcome to the Health Bulletin. Across the globe, we've tracked the emergence of mysterious illnesses, unusual health phenomena, and groundbreaking medical discoveries. Today, we explore the fascinating world of blood types and discover how they can unveil surprising insights about your health. Did you know that your blood type can provide crucial information about your susceptibility to certain diseases? The average adult has between 1.2 to 1.5 gallons of blood in their body, accounting for roughly 10% of their weight. Despite it being such a large and critical part of human anatomy, surprisingly, many people don't know what their blood type even is. But why is it worth it to know? Because your blood type can tell you some important insider info about your health, including if you are more at risk for certain types of medical conditions. Have you ever wondered what determines your blood type?
There are four main blood types: A, B, AB and O.
Blood type is determined by one's genes. It's passed down from one's biological parents. The presence of specific antigens in your blood determines someone's blood type. Antigens are protein molecules found on the surface of red blood cells. Whether or not certain antigens are on your red blood cells determines what your blood type is. Before we move forward, if you're finding this content helpful and informative, please consider hitting the subscribe button below and stay updated with our latest medical videos. The times when doctors check blood type is usually when someone is either donating your blood or have the potential of receiving blood. For those who are preparing for surgery or having a baby, many times we do check for your blood type. However, this is not a routine blood test that is done when you get a regular checkup at your doctor's office. To this point, if you don't know your blood type and want to find out what it is, one way is to donate blood. Here are 5 secrets your blood type can tell you about your health. Making the effort to get a blood test at your doctor's office or doing an at-home blood test to learn what your blood type is has several key benefits. Why knowing what your blood type is can be so beneficial. Number 1, one big reason why it's beneficial to know your blood type is because you'll know what type of blood you need in case of an emergency and need a blood transfusion. However, even if you communicate your blood type to emergency responders or doctors, rest assured that doctors will still confirm your blood type through a test called an ABO determination. If emergency responders or doctors don't have the 45 minutes it takes to figure out your blood type, and you need a transfusion quickly, they will give you type O blood, which is safe for individuals of any blood type to receive. Number 2, if you're pregnant, knowing your blood type can keep you and your baby safe. There's an important reason why knowing your blood type can be helpful if you're pregnant. During pregnancy, having Rh negative blood can be dangerous if the baby's blood is Rh positive. If the two types of blood mix, it could cause the baby to become anemic. Or it could cause the mother's body to attack the baby's blood. Rh factor is a type of protein on the surface of red blood cells. Rh negative blood is not something that typically is an issue, except during pregnancy, if the baby's blood is Rh positive. Since it's so important for Rh negative and Rh positive blood not to mix, doctors will perform blood tests at prenatal appointments to check for the Rh antigen. Number 3, it can tell you if you're more at risk for ulcers and pancreatic cancer. Certain blood types are more at risk for certain health conditions impacting the digestive system. For example, scientific studies show that people with type O blood are more likely to experience ulcers.
Scientific research also shows a link between blood types A, B and AB, and an increased risk of pancreatic cancer.
Having one of these blood types does not mean you are destined to experience ulcers or get cancer. However, it may serve as guidance to take extra precautions to lower your risk through diet and lifestyle habits. Number 4, it can tell you if you are more at risk for heart disease. Scientific studies show that people with type O blood type are at a lower risk for developing heart disease than all the other blood types.
Again, this doesn't mean that if you have type A, B or AB blood you will definitely get heart disease.
Or if you have type O blood, you definitely won't.
But it's still helpful intel to have, and if your blood type is A, B or AB,
it might inspire you to take extra care of your heart through healthy diet and lifestyle habits. Number 5. It's helpful to know if you want to donate blood. Every 2 seconds in the US, someone needs blood. A single blood donation can save up to 3 lives. Despite this crucial importance, only 3% of Americans who are eligible donate blood each year. It can be helpful to know what your blood type is if you want to donate. Some blood donation centers will send text blasts to past donors when there is a crucial need. If you have type O blood, you are an especially valuable donor, because all blood types are compatible with yours. However, if you don't know your blood type, don't let it stop you from donating. By doing so, you will be saving lives. While it's not dangerous to not know your blood type, knowing what it is can offer helpful clues about your health. After all, the more you know about your body, the better you can take care of it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.